Hello friends, welcome to my channel DataMaking. Okay, in this channel I generally create videos on technology, videos on big data technologies like Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, and also create video tutorial on machine learning and deep learning. And I put a lot of videos on programming language like Python and Scala. So okay, future probably I'm planning to put more video series on machine learning and deep learning. Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to talk about is the messages like in the last video we started last week videos we started with a new video series called building a sentiment analysis system. Okay, so with that this is the sentiment analysis system architecture. Okay, so what last few videos, first video we talked about the building sentiment analysis application architecture, and then the next video we talked about the Kafka stream producer. Okay, so where you get messages from the Twitter, okay, on particular topic. Okay, and then you publish to the Kafka topic. You publish to the Kafka topic. Now we go and see how the message is been gotten in the or received in the Kafka broker. Okay, so we just written a command line Kafka consumer to check whether the messages are getting consumed in this. But in the going forward stage, actually we want to consume it in the Spark streaming. So I just for testing purpose, actually want to check the data whether it is coming properly. Okay, so people who are not known about the Apache Kafka. Apache Kafka is the distributed streaming platform for you can think it's actually a publish subscribe messaging system. Okay, to build a real-time system, real-time stream processing system. Okay, so let me. So this is my one of my cloud VM instance where I actually installed Apache Kafka here. So to this Kafka broker only I'm producing this my messages, the Twitter messages in the Kafka stream producer. So I'm actually told you that last video I'm actually publishing the tweet messages to the with a few columns, right? We are not the entire JSON message or the JSON message which is received from Twitter. We are not actually interested. We are interested only few columns. So we filter the few columns and we send to this Twitter message topic, right? So we'll just consume and test it whether the message is coming correctly. Okay, so so if you want to more details about Apache Kafka, I created a new video series on Apache Kafka. You can just go and refer there to get more details about that. Okay, so let me start this Kafka command line consumer. This is a command line consumer. So let me start this. Now I go and run this again, the stream producer. Okay, before that let me. Okay, so I just comment out this part. Okay, so I'll run this. Okay, then let's run about I'll just put a cricket here. Okay, so okay, so I'll just change this. I don't want to change it in file. Let me change it here itself. The word I want to search, right? So make this as here. I'll just put I'm just CRIs. Okay, so I'll just get this information about cricket sports. Okay, okay, sorry for the interruption. So so we are going to get the tweet messages which they're talking about the cricket sports. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, this is it is running this event listener, right? This the event listener which we developed. So this event listener is running 24/7. Okay, so it will be running for 24/7. So it will get all the messages, right? So all the messages which they talk about cricket. Okay, just it will be it is receiving those messages and it is publishing to the Kafka topic. If you come and see here, so you just see here all it's getting published to this Kafka topic. So we just seeing this using the command line command line consumer. Okay, so let me move this according to this side. Okay, so I think I'll stop this. Okay, so basically if you look at here, this will compare. So basically, okay, so if you see here, the language field, users followers count, and the actual text message. Okay, so all these are getting published here. Okay, so if you look, this is the one message. Yeah, so right. So all these fields are coming here. So this is posted by somebody called Mukul Sharma. Okay, so like this. So we actually tested our Kafka stream producer. Okay, so that which is actually sending the message to the Kafka topic, right? And also we tested that the message is coming to the Kafka topic in the broker. Okay, using the command line Kafka consumer. Okay, so now next thing is we are going to discuss about the in the architecture. We are going to discuss about the so we'll be talking about this Spark streaming, structure streaming, where we'll consume this message and do the sentiment analysis. Okay, thank you so much, friends. I will stop this video until this stage. Okay, please subscribe to my channel to get more technology video. Subscribe to my channel DataMaking. Thank you so much, friends.